Hi guys. So the purpose of this video is I'm just going to go through Kami and the program just a little bit for beginners. I'm sure you guys are going to be more well versed in it than I will be very quickly. But so this is one of your activities that I want you to complete Thursday and Friday this week when you are either virtual, remote, or in class. So I wanted to kind of make this video to help you guys who are at home, and hopefully this will streamline it a little better. So once you go to the assignment that I gave you through your classwork in the classroom, you're going to open with Kami a PDF that looks like this. And what this is just saying is it's to get to know me. It's a practice with this program. So what you're going to do is you could either use the text or your stylus and write. So for the first thing in the middle here, I'm going to change my font size. I'm going to change the color because we're going to make this nice and fancy. And I am going to write, and you're going to write your name, Mrs. DeCristo. So basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. Okay, you can make this box bigger. Okay, I just have to save it to the drive because I did not upload it the way you guys will have it. I'm going to make my font bigger. Okay, I'm getting fancy here. So again, you guys are going to use this. You're going to play around with it, see how familiar you are with it, and just kind of maneuver the program. So I typed my name in here. And basically what this is it's a PDF I'm going to create about myself. So now I'm going to switch over to the stylus using the drawing feature on this left-hand side. Okay, this right here changes the stroke thickness. So if I want to make it a little bit of a thicker line when I'm writing, and I can change my color again. And you're going to pick numbers that mean something to you. So for example, my first number might be 1, which would represent the kids I have. I have one kid. His name's Vincent. He's going to be 3 in December, and he is quite the character nowadays. So that's what the number 1 means to me. The second number I'm going to write or add for myself, and I'm going to kind of bounce all over it, is 2. And that's the number of dogs I have. And now my stylus is not working that well, but I have witnessed yours and they work a little bit better. Again now, so let's just say I did this and I didn't like it. On the side over here, I have the eraser where I can just erase what I wrote. Okay, and then what I could do is if I don't like the way my stylus is writing, with this Kami program, guys, remember you can type. So if I go back and I type, I can also just click and then write 2, which is the number of dogs I have. So I have 2 dogs. They're both golden retrievers. I'm crazy for getting 2 golden retrievers because the amount of hair that I have in my house is ridiculous. But this is just another fun fact about me. The next thing I'm going to add, and I'm going to go back to using my stylus now. And I'm going to kind of go in order here, but we're going to do 3, right? And that's the number of siblings I have. So I'm one of 4. Okay, I'm the oldest, and I have 3 other siblings. So I have 2 sisters, and then I have a brother, and my brother is the youngest, and we're all within 6 years of each other in age. So we're super close, which is very cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to write is 28, which is the length of my boat. So if you don't know already, I am a huge boater. I love being at the beach, in the water. It's just one of my hobbies that I was very lucky to be able to do still this summer. So nice little fact about me there. You'll hear me talk about Fire Islands, the beach, and all of that a lot. So the second thing, I'm going to flip back now and I'm going to do another text box. So I'm going to go back to my text and I'm going to add up here maybe. I'm going to do 5, which is the amount of years I have been married. So I got married 5 years ago in Fire Island, which is super, of course, Fire Island. I said it again, on the beach. And I have been married now for 5 years. My husband, he is also a teacher. He works for the New York City Department of Ed, and he works in Queens. Okay, let's do... Okay, you can insert images also, guys. This was a super cool feature. So you would click on Insert Image. And you're going to select where you want to pull it from. Okay, obviously, I'm not going to do it right this second. You can go to a Google search. So if I wanted to go to a Google search, I could put in, let's just say, golden retriever. You can make this as fancy as you guys want. Oh, this is what mine look like, is puppies. So we're going to select this. I'm going to select it. I'm going to insert, select it. And now it's in my Google, my PDF here.
Please excuse the interruption. All seniors are being dismissed at this time. Students taking buses should leave out of the custodial exit. All seniors are being dismissed at this time. All students taking buses, please leave out the custodial exit.
Okay, so of course we have an interruption, just like normal school, right? So students are being dismissed right now. So you guys see I added this picture of my dog. So you guys would complete this and try to be as creative as possible. Like, you guys probably have a lot more interesting things going on in your life. I mean, just I could add right here. I'll just do something quick just to give you ideas. Go back to the text box. I'm going to do a text box for this one. So let's do an orange. We're going to type 129, which is the number of my house. And I write this one on purpose because I did just move and I always forget my house number. So this one's good to jot down. Okay, I'm going to go back to drawing and I'm going to now add the fact that, let's do 10, which is the amount of time teaching at Rocky Point. So I've been teaching here for 10 years.
Please excuse the interruption. All juniors are being dismissed at this time. All juniors.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up because I'm going to get interrupted quite often now. So guys, this is what you're going to work on when you're home. I left one blank. I'm going to save mine. I'm going to upload the video of me doing this. So hopefully it helps. If you have any questions, email me through Google and we'll figure this out together. Can't wait to see you guys all in person and meet you all face to face.